In this lecture, we are going to learn about different selection options. So when you work on any command in Hypermesh, you need to select any entity such as component, element, node, solid, surface, etc. So there are some options to select these entities. Currently you can see Hypermesh window is open. So we are going to open up a file. So go to your file browser. In intros, there is a entity selection folder. You need to open up this file, pick and drag it and minimize this. Now click on OK. Now in this file you can see there are multiple meshes. When you go to any command in Hypermesh, let's say I will select this node here. So it will ask us to select create free node or select the node. So it is important to understand different options available in Hypermesh to select different entities. Press escape to escape from command. In the left you can see this is a entity selector. Currently it is selected as all. So when I click on this arrow, you will see multiple options: element, line, load collector, node, etc. Combine of all these, there is a all option. So let's say I will start with nodes. So in Hypermesh, nodes are the simplest feature. Click on nodes. So when you want to select any entity in Hypermesh, you need to make left click. First let's zoom a little bit here. Make a left click. Now you can see the node is selected. To select another node, click on another node, left click. Again, I will click multiple times. One thing you will notice is when I will select the current node, the previous is erased. If you want to select multiple nodes, then you need to hold down the control key from keyboard. Then you can select multiple nodes. If you want to deselect anything, you need to hold down the shift key and click on the node that you want to deselect. Like here I want to deselect this, hold down shift key and click here, left click like this. And there are some more options available. When you make a right click here, go to select, and here you will see first option is the reset selection. When you want to reset everything, you can press backspace from keyboard. Then there is a save, displayed, reverse, all, and there are some advanced features like by collector, by age, by face. There are lots of options. We will cover some important in this lecture, and in following lectures when we go through the course we will cover all other options. For example, let's say a very important option of selecting the node in Hypermesh is selecting node by path. So if I go to by path, another window will show. Let's say I will select this first node and zoom out a little bit, and I will select this last node. So all the nodes between these paths will be selected. Click OK. Now I want to reset everything, so you can make right click, go to select, you can reselect, click on reselect, or from the keyboard you can press backspace key. First press escape to escape from command, then press backspace key. Now everything will be reset. Another option is make right click here, go to select, you can select by age. Click on by age. If I select this age, all the nodes on the edge will be selected. Let's say this age, this age. If I want to select multiple age, hold down the control key like this. Click OK. So press backspace again to reset. Let's say I will select some node here like this again. Now I want to select the element. So if you go to this arrow, go to element. You can see whatever nodes we have selected, the elements will be automatically selected. This yellow color elements are highlighting the selected elements. So let's say I want to select them again. So make right click, you can go to just reset. So let's say select the element one by one. Now you can see the same process is followed. We need to hold down Control key to select multiple. If you want to deselect anything, hold down Shift key, select the element. Once again, I will select some element here. Then I will go to right click, go to select. If I click on this by face or by edge, it will select all element by edge. So first let's start with this hide option. If I go to this hide option, or you can press H, click on hide. Now these element will be hidden. Now if you want to reverse the display or you want to show it all, make right click, click on show. One more thing, you can make right click, click on isolate. Now these elements are now isolated. You can also reverse this, make right click, click on reverse display. Now those elements are not showing, other elements are showing. Now make right click, click on show all. Then I can also select this complete face at a single time. Let's say I want to select the face, make right click, here go to by adjacent. When I select this by adjacent, the adjacent elements will be selected. Make right click, you can also go to by attach faces, attach or attach faces. Let's say I will select this attached. All the attached elements are selected now. So first press backspace. Let's say I will select multiple element, hold down Control key, make right click and go to attach faces. This time only the face will be selected. More advanced options are like first press backspace key, then make right click. Here you will see option like by face, by component. So let's say I will go to by face. If I select this face, you can see complete face is selected. You can also select the face angle. Whenever there is a curvature or any feature, then we need to change the angle as per our requirement. So when you take the mouse to any face, it will show the preview of the face that will be selected. So click cancel. Also you can select by component, make right click. Here you can see by component. Click on this, then another window will open to select the component. I can select component from here, let's say here, or also I can directly click in the graphic window onto that component. So now I will click cancel. You can also select in a similar way, like if you want to select component, then you can select the component here. If you want to select multiple, hold down the Control key, press escape. One more thing, let's say I will go to element. If I select any element, you can see it is highlighted in the yellow color. If you want to change the color of it, you can go to file, preferences. Here you will see option. So you need to go to this Hypermesh appearance and go to the bottom. Here you will see one option, selection. Now this color is highlighting, selection color. Click on this color and you can select the color as per your requirement. Currently I am taking this as a default. Click OK. Let's say I want to select multiple elements at a single time. In that case, selecting element one by one will be very time consuming. For this we have a entity selector. So I will rotate it little bit like this. For this you need to hold down the Control key, hold down Control key and hold down the left click of the mouse and drag the mouse. When you drag it, you can see a rectangle is showing. When you select the rectangle and leave this click, you can see all the element are showing inside the rectangle. If I make right click, there are some more options like box. You can also make a circle, then freehand and polyline, etc. So I will press escape and backspace. So make right click. Let's say I will select the circle, then again hold down the Control key, hold down left click. Now you can see it is showing a circle. Similarly, if I select this freehand, let's say click on freehand, then it will create a line. So hold down the left click and drag the mouse. You can see a line is forming. you can take this line anywhere like this, and all the element inside this line will be selected. Similarly, you can make polygon, make right click, you can select polygon, polyline. So you can select a entity, let's say I will start here, left click, then drag the mouse, okay, right click, polygon, then hold the mouse, hold down the left click, then leave the mouse, then again hold down, leave the mouse. For like this you need to make a polygon. Okay, right now it is triangle, so all the elements inside this will be selected. Press backspace, press backspace. The most important option here is to selecting by the rectangle, so make right click by rectangle, hold down the control key and then select the element. If I try to rotate this, you can see the element at the bottom are also selected. This is something I don't want. For this, once again press backspace. There is an option here, so let me rotate it to proper view like this. Make right click, also make a check on this, select visible only, then hold down control key, hold down the left click, drag the mouse. Now you can see bottom elements are not selected. If you want to deselect in the similar way, you can hold down the shift key. Let's say I want to deselect them here, so hold down shift key and hold down the left click and select the element. Now these will be deselected, so press escape to escape from command. So these are some selection options in Hypermesh.